Hi everybody, and welcome to Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Live. In a few minutes, we are all going to be moving and shaking and dancing. Just make sure you watch where your hands and feet are going. And if for some reason you need to leave the party, just see one of the awesome Disney Theater team members. Thanks so much, and enjoy the party.
Hola a todos y bienvenidos a Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Live. Dentro de unos minutos estaremos brincando y bailando. Solo asegúrense de cuidar sus manos y sus pies. Y si por alguna razón necesitan dejar la fiesta, favor de acudir a uno de los increíbles miembros del equipo Disney Theater. Muchas gracias y disfruten la fiesta.
It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Hello, everyone. Hope you're ready for a party at Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. So stand up, kids, and get ready to dance, because it's time to welcome our good pal Mickey Mouse and all his friends.
It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside.
Hi, everybody! Oh, boy! How are you doing?
We're going to have such a fun party together! Are you ready, Mickey?
Well, I sure am!
Oh, hooray!
Let's get this party started!
Get up! Get started! The party is here at the Clubhouse! We're in Mickey Mouse!
There's nothing better than we're together. Let's say it loud! Let me hear you cry!
It's time to welcome the rest of our friends!
And now, here he is, everybody! Our good pal, Goofy!
He's not here.
Oh dear! Oh, how about Daisy?
She's not here either.
Oh, gosh, how about Pluto?
Oh, I don't know what to tell you, Mickey. Nobody's here. Oh, hi everyone. I'm Sam, by the way, and I'm Mickey's DJ and party planner and a whole bunch of other things around here.
Where is everybody?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh my! What do we do?
Oh, I know!
What?
Let's go find them!
Buttons and bows! That's a great idea!
Sounds good to me, but I'd hate to leave everyone here alone.
We don't have to leave them here. Say, do you want to come along with us to find Goofy, Daisy, and Pluto?
All right then, kids, get on your feet and show us your best dance moves. We're gonna take this party on the road.
Lead the way, Sam.
Oh, luckily, I used to be a tour guide.
You don't say.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Looks like everybody's late for the show.
Come on now, we can't take this slow.
Come with us! We'll search high and low!
Get on your feet and let's go, go, go.
Everybody, let's go.
I can't hear you! Go!
Time to party.
One more time. Let's go, go. Let's go, go, go. Gotta go house to house.
With Mickey Mouse!
Gotta go door to door.
Let me hear you go.
Gotta search north
Oh, are you sure? I can hear him.
Me too. Let's go inside. Okay. Goofy! Goofy!
Gosh, I was just about to hop in the shower.
Oh, you're late for the party, Goofy.
I am. Gosh. Let me turn off the water. Oh, wow. Wow. Oops. I think something wrong.
I used to be a plumber.
Really?
Yeah, wait right here. I'll take a look. There's no need to wear a frown.
Makes me want to move around.
Come on, Walt. We're rhythm bound.
Can you hear the groovy beat?
Yeah.
Come on now and move your feet. Clap your hands up with the groove.
Get on up and talk to
Going for the bubble bash. Let's all make a big splash. It's a room to show your style. All you need is a big smile. It's the bubble bash. All these bubbles are making a flash. I'll have this fixed in a flash.
Stop your feet and wave your hands.
Dance around and show your style.
This might take a little while, especially if we come back. Come on, woo-hoo! It's the bubble dash. We gon' make a big splash. Go ahead, yeah, a lot of fun. All you folks are dumb as dumb.
Gosh, thanks, Sam.
Oh, anytime.
It's time to go find Daisy.
Gosh, let me change and I'll meet you back at the party.
All right, everyone, let's say bye, Goofy.
See you soon.
See you there, Goofy.
Next stop, Daisy's house.
Let's go! It's a house party, so get loud! When it started, we'll find out. It's a house party,
Mickey Mouse.
bringing all the way up, and there's no doubt.
We're on the blast.
Got so much in store, put your hands in the air and let's go, go, go! Everybody, let's go, go, go!
No spin. Go, go, go.
Find Daisy.
Go, go, go.
Party 3 times, let's go, go, let's go, go, go!
Daisy! Come on in. I need your help.
Gosh, it's kind of dark in here, Daisy. Can you turn your lights on?
I can't. The power went out. Oh my!
Hey, maybe I can help. I used to be an electrician.
Gee, what can't you do?
Tie my shoes.
Daisy? Over here. Where? Here. We can't find you.
Boy, it's really dark.
Hey, everyone, we're trying to get the lights back on, but we need your help. If you see Daisy, shout Daisy so we can find her. Okay? The lights are off.
I cannot see.
What will we do?
Please come find me.
Oh, I'm looking. Over here, we gotta tiptoe over there. We gotta beat everywhere.
Where's Daisy? Minnie.
It's dark in here.
What can we do? getting the power back on, Sam.
Oh, no problem.
You're so handy.
Say, Daisy, we need to get you to the party.
But first, we have to go find Pluto. You go find him. Let me tidy up, and I'll see you there.
Last stop, Pluto's house.
It's a hot party, so get loud. When it started, we'll find out. It's a house party. Singing on the knocking, there's no doubt. We'll have a blast, got so much in store. Put your hand in the air, we've got snow, snow, snow. Hey kids, come on, reach up and try to grab some of that snow. Look at that. So much fun. Oh yeah. Hey, we ought to keep this party moving if we're gonna find Pluto. Come on. Everybody, let's go, go, go. Almost there. Go, go, go. Go. Not ready to go. Oh, oh. He's under the snow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, hey, I think I can hear him.
We gotta get him out of there.
I can't even find the front door. What should we do?
Oh, beats me. It never snows in Southern California.
Oh, goodness, it's cold.
Oh, I wish we could warm up.
Sam, I've got an idea. You're a DJ. Maybe you can play some hot tunes?
Hot tunes. I think you're onto something, Mickey. Hey, give me vacuum up the snow.
Wait, I need
Hey, everyone listen up. You see these thermometers on either side of us? Well, we need to raise the temperature up in here. So kids, get on your feet and show us your best dance moves so we can heat things up and melt the snow. Come on. We got to bring the heat. So move your feet. Let the beat tickle your whole body. We need to warm up Pluto. Come on down, you know what to do. It's up to you. There's only one thing that can break us through. The ice. If we work together, maybe we can melt the snow. Temperature is rising. We're moving to the beat. We gotta melt the snow. We're running out of time. Let's hurry so our birds can live. The skin is far too deep. Need to bring more heat. Think I see the sun on the horizon.
Come on, don't stop. Give it all you got.
Almost there. Rise and give me air. We got the best thing to break us through the ice. When we work together, I know we can melt the snow. Temperature rising. Hey! We did it! We're running out of time. Let's hurry down to Big Street.
Good to see you, pal.
We gotta melt the snow. So glad we found you, Pluto. We'll see you back at the party.
Lead the way. Here we go. Keep up,
All right now, since we found all of our friends, let's get this party started.
And now, here it is, everybody. Our good pal, Goofy.
Long time no see.
Daisy! It's lovely to be here. At last.
And of course, Pluto. Now, all here together.
This is a perfect time. This is a place. Me and my friends are so excited. All right, throw the hands high up into space. Nothing that's down, yeah, we can party and everybody some more. Everybody out together now, yeah. Let's start in the party here at the Clubhouse. Here at Mickey Mouse. There's nothing better when we're together. We'll say it loud. Let me hear you now. Say oh, oh, I wanna hear you scream it out. Oh, oh, it's a party at the everybody out together now, yeah. It's starting the parties here at the Clubhouse with Mickey Mouse. There's nothing better when we're together. We say it loud, let me hear you now. Say oh, oh, I wanna hear you scream it out. Oh, oh, it's a party at the Clubhouse. Oh, oh, all your favorite friends are there. Oh, oh, let's go. Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. We forgot to do the hot dog dance.
Come on, kids. We know you know this one. Sing it out, everyone.
Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Now we got ears, it's time for cheers. Hot dog, come on, let's solve. Hot diggity dog.
Now, I'd say that's a great way to end our party here at Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Bye for now.
See you later.
Bye, everybody.
See ya real soon.
See you, everyone. Have a great day.
The show is good.
Wow, wasn't that fun? I hope the lights are on when I get home.
We're still missing, we're full of it, so long for now.